What's good, guys? Welcome back to, well, it's another day right now. You see, this is day 2 of the vlog. You see, today is a special day. Why? Today is my mom's birthday, you feel me? So make sure you wish my mother happy birthday in the comment section right now. Spam up happy birthday. You see it. Right now over there, Margarita Villa. They are chill out and go and look and see what the people of money. So right now we go there just go consume some food and then ship go in the water there. This is some whole heap of activities. I mean I tell you that yeah, so things are Jesus. Lord mercy. You see me, but you know, one of them did it. I have to just live the life right now because you only live it once now, so you only have to live once, dog. So you know, and when I have cat life now, about them I talk about them stuff with cat have 9 life, you see me? So we only live once and we have to live it to the best. You see, just make sure you enjoy the life. Enjoy life as you see. You see me, no joke about it. You feel me? So how's your day going? My day is going great, so I hope y'all enjoy the vlog. Don't care. See you guys, day back again. This day I wait for some food. See. Watch your mother. You didn't even know some of vlog, but you never do. You have a feature that the waste of you because you can't come and feature everything, so you don't know to do. Many little sauce up, you know. But shout out to Margarita Villa, no care. So guys, food just found. Need some curry, plantain rice and some rice. Yes. Looks awesome up, no joke. So you know what they do? Show me I gotta show this and when I don't show it, forward back. Is alright. Alright guys, let me tell you some things. About that pressure. And then also, this try sim, and you know, I like a team work, but yeah. So you might try them for back float and I can't back float. So you know what I do? Continue inside the water. I'm showing a small clip of when I try sim. No, I tell a lie. I enjoy myself, man. No joke about it. For the most spots, I'm going, you know, go and see where the day take me. But you know, things are going cool and nice and such and such. So this day I'm going to nothing much more really there for that than swimming. You see and jump on one trampoline, but real thing. Go there so come, could my foot touch the ground? My foot touch the ground now, but you know, like, my dude I see and he's like, oh, what is this? It's crazy, guys, you see this? I don't even know what this, but anyways, you see me? So, like, there, and like, you stand up, hold him, you see me? And your foot are touch ground now, but it's like the sand is soft. So I touch it and it's like, you know, like soft sand, so your foot just starts sinking in the water. I don't know what that. You see me? So I just say, oh, I can't go, but I go there, you know. You see me? Can post a picture somewhere on the screen, but go there, man. You see me? And just there, you chill one while. And I say, alright, cool, such and such. And just what they do. You see me? So this day I go and chill me and my father and my mother. Go and enjoy the time. Go and cool out and see what life takes us. Yeah. So you know what they do. I'll catch you all back very soon. you see. So right now we're there, we'll go back to the car, put on some clothes. And we'll chill out, you know. So right now, I don't face a bun, my brother. That not to look. Okay, man, to look. Face a bun, my brother. You see me? So right now, change up and put on my clothes, you know, and relax and go home back. Lie down on my bed. Yeah, man, told me, but yeah, guys, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the J&N gang. I don't know what to do. And yeah, I'll get back to you very soon. So yeah, guys, finally time to leave the hotel, you know. I book out and thing. You see me, so for now, just a bye to the hotel, you see. So it has been a time well spent. Shout out to the hotel. As much as it cold, you know. You see me. So I say bye to all them things here. Kitchen, bathroom, bed, everything. TV, cable, everybody. You see me. So right now we're gonna make a move to a location. I reach at the location, I link on them. Shoot. So yeah, guys, they have been just reached call a place at Turkey River Park. You see me? Come for chill. And I know what the first man come over is still. Like, watch it. First man see over so. You see me? So you know what to do. So we can enjoy what we can see. Yes, right.
JP Productions.
Hey guys, unfortunately at the wrong place of forward, you know. At the park alone, you see me, so there's, as them say, there's something else, like there's a falls and a park. You see me, that's a totally different place than right to see. You see me? So right now with this, probably just lift and go home. You see me? And all the fishermen, even if they can't start fishing. See him right there, son? Watch him. Come here, Toby. Nice. Yeah, water dirty still now, but good for them type of thing. Oh, them fish is so big. You see me, guys? This day I go and chilling because nothing is not really there for them. For them I talk to one lady. You see me? And me just there go and chill. It's like I don't even know better. Yo, goldfish. Yeah. That's crazy. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. There's some fish over here. See? It's crazy. But you know, it is what it is. Cause I swear, say, you know, me and me say, them say, what, Turtle River Park, so I say, you look how much fish there is. I say, me there, I say, alright, if a Turkey River Park, that means, say, yo, Turkey like there. But unfortunately, no. I don't even know, because I like to walk out the place. You see me? Stay here already. I go and chill. While I vibe. Watch the plantation. Is alright.